Hey there, welcome back to Mantic Stringworks. So today on the workbench we have this 1999 Squier Stratocaster in what I like to call British racing green. It's an HSS configuration, and I featured this on my channel already when I purchased it out in Halifax, used. And I want to do a few things to this guitar, so I've already changed the tuners. I'll flip these over. They just had Squier or no-name sort of tuners, and I put some Fender tuners that I had after I had changed them on, put some locking tuners on another Stratocaster. And I thought it'd be kind of fun to customize this, the back plate here, the neck plate. It's just plain right now, and since I do have a couple of lasers, so that's the Xtool F1, and inside here is the Xtool D1 Pro in there. But I'm going to use the Xtool F1 because I want to engrave a logo on the back here, and I think I'm going to put Squier by Fender on the back of that, so let's see how that goes. Well, I guess you're saying, well, why don't you just buy one? And I can, but since I have the laser, I thought it'd be fun to use that. And I'm really finding a lot of different uses for the laser, both lasers here in the shop. So I'm going to keep featuring different little projects or ideas, customizations that I do with it over the next few weeks on different guitars. I've got a Project SG guitar, I've got this one, I've got some more custom sort of engraving I want to do. So I'm going to take this plate off. Yeah, this is just a standard chrome plate, nothing special. So I'm going to go set it up in the laser and we'll get going. So using the Xtool XCS software, I was able to design the neck plate basically and import the Squier by Fender logo, size it properly, set it in position where I want it, set the parameters for engraving, and then once we're ready to engrave, it's set up in the machine. We just have to press start and away we go. So I've got this framing here in the laser, and I don't know if you can see it too well, but that helps you position it where you want it to be. So I'm going to leave the protective shield up so I can film, but I will be sure to put on my funky laser glasses. Okay, we're ready to go. Gotta press the button. Alright, well, we're all done. It was pretty quick, took less than a minute. And I think you can see it. And that's just one pass. So I think what I'm going to do is do 2 or 3 passes at least. I might increase the power a little bit. I want a little deeper etch. Well, that's looking pretty good. Okay, well, I think we're done. Now if I move this, we are done. Okay. So that looks pretty cool, I gotta say. Let's bring it over here. Look at that. Alright, well let's clean it up a bit and put it on. Okay, well, we're back on. Give it a little wipe. That's a lot better. That is nice. That is pretty cool. Tell me what you think. Of course, you can customize it any way you like. So that's an engraving, and it's on there permanently. You can score it too, so just the outline. I think that looks pretty cool. Alright, let me know in the comments below what you think. Alright, thanks for watching.